Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen. Meghan Markle and Candace Owens. Negative attention is the new recipe for success. The concept is always the same: to maliciously harm others, to make themselves feel important. They cleverly spread lies online very deliberately. And when the desired success doesn't materialize, they continue. It gets worse and worse, with more and more lies and meanness. And when all else fails, they play the victim, complete with tears. These are supposed to be the strong, successful women, the ones who loudly discriminate against others. My God, how primitive and embarrassing. The best examples of this are Meghan Markle and Candace Owens. At first, many people didn't take them seriously. They didn't realize how malicious they were. But these two never give up. They want maximum attention by any means necessary. To me, they are not just malicious, they are sick. Take Meghan Markle, for example. Through her marriage to Prince Harry and the title that came with it, she believed she was above everyone else, that she could lie to them without fear for consequences, and that she could get her way with everything she wanted. Her lost husband even proudly declared how foolish he is to the whole world. What Meghan wants, Meghan gets. She's been trying to do all this ever since, with varying degrees of success. When she realized that Harry didn't have as much power and money as she'd assumed, she became even more extreme. She ruthlessly sought to assert her power alone, with the Oprah interview, the fabricated pregnancies, the vicious attacks against the Queen, Prince William, Princess Catherine and their children, and her ludicrous stunts as a successful businesswoman, all of which backfired spectacularly. Her so-called friends from her past, whom she had deliberately kept hidden until now, were supposed to help her portray herself as the most beautiful, best, and most important person in the world. But it all went wrong. And now there's Tom Bower's book. After the dreaded Epstein files, Markle hoped her title from Prince Harry would grant her eternal immunity. But thank God, times have changed. As we know, Andrew Mountbatten Windsor was even arrested, something that would have been absolutely unthinkable a few years ago. Markle, however, continues. She tries everything to stay in the public eye, whether it's with divorce rumors, new Netflix deals, or just ridiculous fake photos on her Instagram account. She truly believes this will distract from the truth. The truth, which is getting closer and closer. And perhaps also from all the investigations by government agencies regarding her finances. Since only money and power matter to her, she's probably hoping for the royal family's large sums in a divorce settlement. Perhaps that's what she planned from the beginning. And the royal family did pay millions for Andrew. But the book Betrayal has now thrown a wrench in her plans. Tom Bower is an opponent she can't overcome. Of course, she continues to rely on her foolish diversionary tactics, but facts are facts. The truth always comes out. And now she probably senses the impending danger and, whoops, she switches to her favorite role, the victim role. With lies and denials and above all, tears. She truly believes she can convince people of her innocence with this. But it's not longer working. Or take Candace Owens, who was so lauded online. Oh, how wonderful she is. She exposes everything. She's so brave. She even brought down the First Lady of France. But when the Markle case didn't turn out so favorably for Owens, the multi-million-dollar lawsuit in the US is still pending. She found a new victim, Erica Kirk. I recently saw her portraying herself as a victim, and the tears were flowing. Candace Owens uses the principle of negative attention extremely effectively for her business model. Owens has successfully redirected many of her followers from free platforms to her own paid model, memberships on her website. She often promotes these with the argument that she can tell the whole truth there without censorship, which, especially during times of conflict, motivates many fans to subscribe. While her follower count is rising, the quality of her advertising partners has changed. Reputable corporations are increasingly avoiding her. Everything has two sides. But for me, both Markle and Owens are using the same tactic. Negative attention is a new recipe for success. We'll see how long it lasts. Have a nice day.
If you like my channel and enjoy my videos and shorts, Mookie and I would be very happy if you subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.